guys, my name is Shimisha Hughes, and I'm back, and it's only been like 15 minutes, and look what happened. Just look. It started raining. Can you guys see? No. Let's go right here. It is raining, guys. And it's only been 5 minutes. How fast can it rain? It only took like 5 minutes to start raining. So I was gonna do a vlog outside. But now I can't because look what just happened. The rain just decided to pour down and be annoying like usual because Arizona is bipolar. If you don't know what that means, bipolar just means that you change your mind a lot. And Arizona's bipolar, especially Mother Nature, because she's bipolar, even though it's not her fault. Just look at that. Can you guys hear it? Listen. Can you guys hear that?
Yes.
Shh. Look over there at the thing. Shh. Listen, guys, look. Oh my. Look over here. It's like a big puddle.
Lions, tigers, and bears. Oh my.
Let's get a better look. And there's a car driving. Here. But look at that puddle. So yeah, I just wanted to do an update video on what's happening. And yeah, look at that puddle. And yeah, it is raining, so